Hello everyone. In this 1.20.1 forEach video, we're going to be going over how to add and basically edit tags for items. But before we get started, I would like to give a shout out to my Minecraft server hosting partner, BisectHosting. This is a great service that I've been affiliated with for a while and I've used on a personal level for quite a while. Um, this service offers server hosting for over 70 games, so even beyond Minecraft, there's plenty of other games that you can use this service for. You can also, in regards to Minecraft, you can pre-install thousands of mod packs automatically. So any relevant, fairly relevant Minecraft mod pack that you may want to play with your friends, it's here. So you can see all the mods, better Minecraft, or in the A's and B's. Also, the service offers 24/7, 365 customer support that helps troubleshoot your server and mods. I can particularly attest to this as I use the service on a personal level um, to host small servers with my friends. And if I'm running into issues with plugins or mods, they're very helpful in getting that resolved fairly quickly. You also have full file access, so for your plugins, mods, config folders, you can do things yourself. And additionally, you can host your server across 20 secure locations across the globe. So I highly recommend you check this out. You'll see my affiliate link in the description. That'll bring you to this website here. There's lots of great information that can help you help inform you of the possible purchase. So again, thank you for BisectHosting for supporting me, and I'm always happy to support them in return. But now let's get started with the point of this video, which is the item tags. So as you can see here, we are in Visual Studio that I use, and there are four main uh, events that that you may need to use. Um, First one is event.add, and here you're passing in a tag as the first argument, and then an item or an array of items as the second argument. These are both in the form of strings, or in the latter half, an array of strings. You can also add tags to other tags, but I'll show you a similar example with remove. So in here, this is my Infinite Horizons mod pack. You can find that in the description below. It's basically a super flat mod pack that I came up with. So here I am trying to add, well, I did add a stone alloy, which is basically entirely replacing andesite alloy. So here I'm coming up with a new tag, which you can do that as well. So I had a new tag called, something that would look conventional. So forge ingots / andesite alloy. So that's the new tag I created. And with this, I'm adding an array of items here. So the base great mod andesite alloy item, and then the custom stone alloy item that I made. And then with this, I'm using the almost unified mod to unify these things. And if needed, I can make another video on that mod itself because that proved very useful in mod pack development. So the next thing we're going to look at is event.remove. So this is the opposite of add. You're passing in the same arguments, a tag and an item or an array of items. You can remove tags. Again, you can remove tags to tags by specifying the latter argument with the pound key. So here's an example of all of that. So here I'm removing some of the different stone types that are added by some mods that you need stone itself to craft. So I figured it would make more sense if I just remove these from the tag. So Forge stone, this already exists. That's a base tag in Forge. And then these these three items in one tag. So environmental materials, hardened stone, granodiorite, I removed from the stone tag. I'm also removing all alabaster types. So I don't have to put all 16 of those items. I can just put the one tag. That's a little more efficient. And then I'm also getting rid of dark stone from the Forbidden Arcanist mod. The next thing we're going to look at is the event.remove all. This removes all items from a particular tag, and if you don't, mess with it again, you're essentially just getting rid of the tag. So here I use this to good effect to resolve a problem about the endstone dust tag. So essentially the Greg Tech mod and the occultism mod had different tags. So the Greg Tech mod had forge dust / endstone without an underscore between end and stone, and then the occultism had this tag, which I figured I'd just use because it looks a little better. So I use event.remove all to remove everything from the endstone tag. I could just did event.remove, but this saves some characters. And then I use the event.add to add the endstone dust, formerly from the other endstone tag, and then the custom one that I created. Last, I don't really have an example here because there's not really many uses for this I found, but I figured I'd just mention it. You can also remove all tags from a particular item by using event.remove all tags from. And you can also use a string or array of strings or items, right? So an example, if you remove wood, like an oak log, you would remove every single tag from the oak log. So the smeltable tag, the logs tag, the wood tag, things like that. And a couple other examples here that miscellaneous examples that I've used for adding my own custom materials. As you can see here, I have all the different plates that I added in a startup script, obviously separate than this. And then I'm using loops to make this more efficient. And then you'll see that throughout here. Again, feel free to check out my GitHub repository on this if, to possibly help, motivate you to, work on your own pack. Again, feel free to check it out. But if you have any questions regarding item tags, feel free to comment and I'd be happy to help you out. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching and thank you for your time.